Hello and welcome to the 4th Neuromatch conference. My name is Julia Sprenger and I will present you a project that is introducing animal electrophysiology data to the BIDS framework. So what do I mean when I talk about animal electrophysiology data? This is data acquired in research that is using animal subjects and recording neural activity using microelectrodes as shown here at the right. So these recordings are typically invasive and either chronic or acute recordings. There is a large diversity of commercial systems available to perform these recordings, and all of those systems have their own custom format they are saving the data in. So this means that there's a large variety of formats around for storing those data. And in addition, there's also no standard way on how this data is in general organized within research project or research teams. To improve the situation and to make the data more fair, we want to improve the way these data are documented to make it easier for analysis tools to access the data and the metadata, to facilitate the data sharing between colleagues and institutions, or publishing data or archive the data. For this, we look at a neighboring community, which is the imaging community. This community developed BIDS, which is a brain imaging data structure that has emerged a couple of years ago from the community, and it's an open and community-based project for storing imaging data. Together with the structure, a growing ecosystem has developed for validation of this structure, integration into databases, and so-called BIDS apps that perform actions on data that are structured in this way. Since the original brain imaging data structure appeared, it has been extended to several related modalities, for example, behavioral data or EEG data. So here we propose to add one more extension that also supports animal electrophysiology data. Our proposal goes under the name of BIDS Extension Proposal 32. And you can find it linked on the official BIDS website. It is currently in development and we are looking for community feedback on this. It is based on two open data file formats, so non-commercial formats to store the primary data, which is NIX and NWB. Both of those formats are endorsed by the International Neuroinformatics Coordinating Facility. It also includes the description of probe and wiring information that is used in the setup, as well as additional metadata necessary to describe the recording setup. And also, since most of the data that we talk about here is acquired in animal models in contrast to the human subjects that are typically used in MRI, we also collaborate with another proposal that is introducing the description of animal metadata. Together with the proposal, we also develop a set of tools and have a repository to collect example data sets. You can find those at the following links here. The tools that we provide for now add a basic validation of the structure as we propose it, or provide functions to set up a minimal structure. In addition to this, we also are supported by the probe interface project, which you can find on Read the Docs, which is a package that can be used to describe probe information as used in electrophysiology in a comprehensive way. So you can import and export the information to that format from the proposed structure. Using this, you can in principle automatically run spike sorting on raw electrophysiology datasets. So with this, I would like to invite you to join the discussion on data standardization, especially for electrophysiology data. There's an INCF working group on this with regular meetings. You can follow the link here to join this group. And this also covers the topic that we propose here in the BEP 32. If you want to have a look at the proposal itself, just check it out on the BIDS website, leave comments or make change proposals. We are also currently looking for data sets to test our proposal on that can be converted into the proposed structure. And feel free to test the tools that we are developing in parallel. So with this, I would like to see you at the Neuromatch conference on 1st and 2nd of December.